So over here, I am using the desktop version of this application right here. And then that is why what is happening is that whatever I work around with, it is being saved out onto my desktop itself on where I actually saved this file to tutubediagram.draw.io. So there are some features which is exclusive to the web version, and then if you want to go around and use the same file that you made in desktop in the web version, then you can go around onto the web version right here, and then you can click on open existing diagram right here. So in my case, I've connected my diagrams.net to Google Drive, and that is why you have these Google Drive option which is popping up. So you can go around, select a file from your device, and then over here you can select that exact file that you want to upload out, click on open. Then what happens is that it loads up the file in Google Drive and then opens it out on cloud right here. So then you have access to the web version features such as commenting, sharing, and others. What you can also do is if you have opened out a file, so let's just go around over here and click on new, and let's say you created a blank diagram right here. So I'm just going to go around, utilize a root folder, and create a file right here, a blank diagram that is, and then it's inserting. So I'm just going to open in this window itself, and this is what you have. So if you want to open up the file without uploading it to any cloud storage services, then you can go to file and click on open from, and over here you can see device is an option here as well. So you can go around and click on device, and then over here you can go around and select, let's say for example, I'm going to select out another diagram file right here and click on open, and then it opens up the file right here just like this. But this is not being stored onto the cloud, the drive, but it is actually accessing the original file from your desktop itself, and that is why you get this option called get desktop, which is suggesting that this is an offline file. It is saving everything out to your desktop itself, and you can see it says it'll be saved to the original file itself, so you can go around save the changes, because in the web version auto saving is turned on. As you move this around, instead of manual saving, you can see auto saving is there. So that is how you can go around and then open up the desktop files in the web version of the diagrams.net application as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.